I'm Rosa Squillacote. I've been an adjunct professor at Hunter College since 2012. I went to Hunter College as an undergraduate, and I'm currently a PhD student at the Graduate Center. I am also the PSC Vice President for Part-Time Personnel. I am asking the Board of Trustees to support the call for a new deal for CUNY and to request funding for improved infrastructure, more mental health counselors, academic advisors, and full-time faculty, and to ensure pay equity across titles, particularly for contingent part-time workers. I can tell you firsthand about the toll of CUNY's chronic underfunding. When I was a student, Hunter was notorious for ceilings that had parts falling down and escalators that didn't work. Over 15 years later, and the building hasn't improved at all. CUNY students, especially after the last year, are experiencing greater stress and precarity than ever before. Every semester since I've started teaching, I've had at least one student facing a serious crisis, the threat of eviction or deportation, unemployment, the need for childcare. I could go on. And these conditions have only worsened during the COVID epidemic. As the City University of New York, as the People's University, CUNY should be providing our students with significant resources and support, with buildings that aren't falling down around them, with mental health counselors and academic advisors, with smaller class sizes and smaller faculty to student ratio, and with professors that are paid a living wage. The fact that part-time workers are still effectively paid poverty wages is a disgrace. Workers that CUNY relies on, adjunct professors teach the majority of CUNY classes, struggle to pay rent, struggle to work enough hours to keep health insurance, and struggle to meet basic necessities. I struggle with all of these things. Thousands of part-time workers lost their jobs and health insurance during the pandemic, and these workers did not have any financial security to fall back on. The pandemic has plunged part-time workers into an even deeper crisis than we were in before, and the precarity we live under has become clearer than ever. We work hard for CUNY, for our students and our colleagues. We are committed to CUNY. The Board of Trustees should be supporting the workers that CUNY depends on. New York has a new governor now, and new opportunities to push Albany for a better budget. I urge you to support CUNY students and workers and to support the New Deal for CUNY. Request a state budget that CUNY deserves, and CUNY deserves the best.